Hello everyone. So in this video we will show that how can we fix some types of page indexing issue. Okay. So in my website microcodes.in I am facing some issues. So for that Google Search Console send me some types of report according to it, right? So for fixing these types of issues just click on this view issue details and it will open up the Google Search Console of your own website. So as you can see, duplicate without user selected canonical some types of issue is find here, right? But there have not much more details about it. So just click on details and click on this start new validation, right? And it will start processing update for that. So as you can see, one update just started. uh, Click on this notification icon and from here you can find many types of issues like that. So first fix the first issue, which is new page indexing issue. So click on it and click on this fix page indexing issue and it will redirect to some types of pages like this. Now click on this validate fix button, so it will fix all the issues related to this page, right? Click on again notification panel, click on back and click on second thing, which is page indexing. Click on view issue details. Now as you can see, discovery currently not existed, validation started. So it basically shows that the validation just started because we click on this start validation button, right? Click on again the notification button, click on back and click on the third or fourth or whatever the error is showed. Click on view issue details. So you need to basically click on multiple button whatever the page is shown, right? And click on this see details whatever you see. Now here have not see anything, so click on overview. So our page overview is really good. Click on pages under the indexing tab. If you don't see, click on indexing, click on pages. Now from here you can see the actual report of page indexing and non-indexing issues, right? From here you can see page with redirect. It shows the failed 3 pages, so click on it. In your cases it's may not be shown, right? So we just see what it's shown. Okay. So click on see details and click on start new validation. So it just started the validation of it, right? So process is almost on the going. Now click on this second by no index tag and it shows some types of feed here, right? Click on see details and uh, from here you need to click on start new validation and it will start all types of things for you. Click on notification icon, click on back and click on refresh this page icon in the browser. Okay, and in the notification panel you just see just started almost thing. If you click and see the validation progress report, so as you can see it just started the validation process. So don't worry about it, it's a really normal problem, right? You need to do any types of technical things not there. You just click on this next thing and it will fix all the things for you. So don't be panic about that. But for the case of sitemap, it's maybe show some types of problem, right? I have generated this sitemap.xml. So if you do not generate the sitemap.xml, it is very important for every website, so you need to generate that, right? You can find methods of internet website which you help to generate the site.xml, but if you can create this sitemap.xml by yourself, so you can also create that. Okay, so this is for you guys. Hope this video is helpful for you. So click on the like button and thank you for watching this video. I will see in the next video.